Hello, my name's Deon Doss. I work for Favco. I've been with Favco for about 15 years now. I am a business manager. I looked after some chain store accounts, and in particular, I oversee the pre-packing operation. Favco has existed since 1999. I joined Favco in 2005. Favco was a little bit reluctant to get into pre-packing for a while, but in 2015, we put the step in relation to a second-hand machine to have a toe in the water, and from then on, we've progressed from there, and pre-packing has become an integral part of our business. At Favco, we pre-pack mainly citrus products, lemons, limes, mandarins. We also do some pomelos, and we also do first grade product and also second grade in the I'm Perfect and Odd Bunch categories. This is the third RB2 machine we've put in. We purchased one about 5 years ago second hand as a bit of a toe into the pre-packing business. Following on from that machine, we moved to another RB2 machine, a single lane counter. At the point now where we semi-retired the old machine, and we've just put the new machine in February, which is the dual lane counter machine, which has given us substantial improvements in pace of packing. We have shorter shifts, better for our staff. We can react to our customers' orders quicker. And the also benefit of having an additional machine, if we have a hiccup or a breakdown with one machine, we can continue on packing and not miss any orders whilst we have that machine in downtime. Sales team from a wine glass tag and net perspective we see on a monthly basis, and contact from a week to fortnightly basis in relation to ordering. From a machinery perspective, we've become fairly self-sufficient, but we still have David here locally that we can draw on if there's something out of our control, and he's available as required. Certainly from a reliability perspective, the RB2 has been a very reliable machine. I must say initially we learnt a lot, and we had a steep learning curve with our second-hand machine that needed some work to get it to a point where it's efficient. But in hindsight, that negativity turned into a positive because we were upskilled very quickly in relation to looking after our own machines and being self-sufficient from that perspective. But the new machines, reliability, in particular this new one we've got, has been excellent to date. Yes, our machinery has allowed us to become more self-sufficient, not only with the extra machines that we've got, but also in times of capacity, maximum capacity during Christmas and Easter, whereas once upon a time we may have had to need to off-site package some stuff, contract package some stuff. We've been able to do that self-sufficiently. In the past, we've had to do double shifts and so forth. Now we can do that with our increased volume capacity in single shifts. So better on our staff, better for our customers, and more efficient overall. Spare parts supply from JTech has been excellent. We keep a solid range of the key spare parts here on site. If there's anything we need at a quick turnaround, we can pretty well have something here within 24 hours to get us up and going very quickly. Packaging supplies can be very well supplied from JTech. Every fortnight we get a reminder email for a wine glass tag perspective, and also net, copper and so forth can be tagged onto those orders as well. Before we had these machines, we were doing the old foot stomping machines, which were very slow, very labour intensive. So the new RB2 machines have increased our capacity, made things more easier for our staff, but most certainly giving our customers what they need when they need it. All in all, the relationship with Favco and JTech has been excellent, and we'll continue to move forward together in the future.